Finding a good accountant is a critical step in growing your business. It's important to realize that your accountant is a key member of your team, and you should take as much care in selecting your accountant as you would in hiring a new senior staff member. Here are 3 important questions you should ask before selecting your accountant. Question 1. Have you worked in my industry, and do you have references? Having an accountant that is already familiar with the issues relating to your specific industry will save you a lot of time and heartache. Accountants that have a deep understanding of what you do will also be much better positioned to help you grow your business. Question 2. What technology do you use? Cloud-based accounting software can streamline your business and save you hours of bookwork and thousands of dollars every week. So it's important to find an accountant who is familiar with the latest technology and can help you integrate it into your business if required. Question 3. How will you add value to my business? This question probes how the accountant perceives their role in your business. A proactive accountant will offer a number of insightful ways to safeguard and grow your business. So there you have it. When you find an accountant who is very familiar with your industry, is up to date with all the latest technology, and can clearly articulate how they will add value to your business, then you'll be on the right track to adding a valuable new member to your business team.